Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the best online business to start as a broke 16-year-old, 17-year-old, just average beginner. You know, if you've never made any money online, this is probably the best business to start right now. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the best online business to start as a beginner. You know, if you're broke, you don't have any money, but you want to make money online, this is probably the best business for you. So the business that we're going to talk about, like the reason why I think this is the best for beginners, is because first of all, you have no products. You don't even own a product, you don't have a product, you don't have to ship a product, you don't have to deal with customer support, you don't have to deal with refunds. You know, there's nothing that you have to do with that business like that. Like all the logistics, you know, you don't have to store any of the products. And, you know, it's not like drop shipping where you have to ship, you know, order the product for somebody else and, you know, they'll like get something for you. But instead, you don't have to do any of that. You are just going to focus on helping people out. And that's the only thing. You're not even going to sell anything to anyone real hard or anything like that. You're not going to post ads or anything. You are just going to refer products. So if you're wondering what I'm on about, this is called affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is basically is when you buy something, is when you refer a product to somebody so that they can buy whatever you're trying to sell. So, you know, for example, if, you know, somebody was looking for something like the best, I'm looking for something around here, but I can't find it. But let's say the best coffee machine. So if somebody just like wants to know the best coffee machine, and you talk about, you know, the best coffee machine that there is out there, they end up finding, you know, what you're on about. You know, think that, you know, you're pretty right about that. You know, you talk about what's good about that coffee machine, and, you know, you put that link in the description and you say, okay, so this is the one that, you know, this is the one that I'm talking about. So people click on that link, they order it, and you get a commission. So it might be 10, 20, 30, it could go up to 50%, you know, of whatever you're trying to sell. It really depends. Some of them, you know, if it's a subscription-based product, then it's even better, because some of the time you even get up to 100% the very first time that you sell it. And then, you know, since they're going to pay monthly, you're still going to get recurring commissions. So that's something. If it's a subscription-based, that is usually how it works. If it's not, then you only get a certain percentage. But, you know, if it's a high commission, if it's something that's quite expensive, then, you know, you could get a pretty good money for, you know, whatever you're trying to sell. And that's even better, because you're not even, you know, spending a dime doing that. You know, you're just starting off, you've never made any money, and you're doing that, you know, that way. So if you want to know exactly how to do this, you know, it's going to be, I'm going to put it into simple words, but then, you know, if you want to dive more into depth, I've got a ton of other videos about this, so you could absolutely check it out. But basically, the very first thing is you're going to have to find a platform. So, you know, find a platform that's good, that you think is, you know, that you're going to be able to post all the time on it. So this might be YouTube, it might be a blog, it might be Instagram, which I wouldn't suggest very much because it's not very powerful. It could be a Facebook group, or anything that basically people can find you on. So in my opinion, the best ones are blogging and YouTube, because people can find you, you know, years from now. Like some YouTube videos like get, you know, tens of thousands of views, that are like 10 years old. So you could absolutely do that. You find that platform that you think is good, and if you can do YouTube, I highly suggest you do that. And what you're going to do is you're going to review anything that you find around your house. As I said, it could be a coffee machine, it could be anything that you really find, and you're going to talk about it. You don't have to show your face or anything like that. You could just show your product and show you using it, but you don't have to show your face. If you're doing a coffee machine, a popcorn machine, or anything like that, it doesn't have to be like crazy, you don't have to have crazy editing skills or anything like that. You just show your product, you talk about it, say what's good about it, and you sign up to an affiliate program. Now, to sign up to an affiliate program, it's very, very simple to do that. What you do is you're going to type whatever the product that you want to sell is, and affiliate program. And you're going to find some different ones. Amazon is the most famous one, but if you can, I would highly suggest that you don't do Amazon, because Amazon is, very low commissions. But, if you only have Amazon, that could work as well, especially if you're a beginner. That could be, a good starting point, because they accept pretty much anyone as long as you have a website. And by the way, having a YouTube channel is a website for Amazon. So if you just start a blog or, anything like that, you enter that, you will get approved. Like, there is a good chance that you will get approved, because, I signed up to their program when I had just started this channel. I had like 2 or 3 subscribers and I got accepted. So it's not like that big of a deal. So what you do is you sign up. Obviously, it's going to be 100% free, because most of them are, especially if you sell physical products. If you sell something that's, a program or something like that, then you'll probably have to buy that program to be accepted as an affiliate, because a lot of people don't want to do, for you to promote it if you don't even have the product. But, if you do, then that is going to be a good way to do it. So, just find anything that you want to sell, space affiliate program on Google, and you will find some affiliate programs. And people will gladly pay you to do that, because it's very, very, very simple. Like that's the best way that they can actually make some money, because they're not even spending some money on ads. All they're doing is they're giving you a bit of what whatever they're earning. But that's it. So that's a very good way to do that. If you're a company, some of them only rely on affiliate marketing, because basically it's free money. Like, they only spend money that they know they're going to get back. So, that's not very in-depth. I just wanted to let you know that this is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. It's not that hugely time-consuming. You will have to make some, blog posts or videos or something like that. But, that's pretty much the only thing that you want to do. And you can scale this to the moon. There are people making tens of thousands of dollars just with affiliate marketing, or tens of millions. That's what I wanted to say. Like, obviously tens of thousands. Some people are not, making any money, but most of the time it's because, either they're not giving, away value, which would be reviewing the product in this case, or they're just trying to sell something, or they quit too soon. So, I've made another video about, why people fail with affiliate marketing, which you can check out as well. But, this is basically what I'm on about. So, I really hope that you found like a ton of value in this video, because, that's really what I wanted to focus on, that you got really a lot of value. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.